Hello everyone, today we are making soft fluffy homemade bread using charcoal stove. So hello everyone, as I said, today we are baking homemade bread. So to start, I start by adding my warm milk in the bowl. Remember, I'm going to activate our yeast first. So I added 1.5 tablespoon of yeast. That is one. So in order to activate our yeast well, I will add in sugar. So I will give it a little mix. Remember, we have to keep our yeast warm. So we have to place the bowl on the board so that it keeps warm in order to activate well. So the next thing, I'm going to cover my bowl for 8 minutes. So this is how we activate our yeast in order to work well. Just to keep warm. So we place it aside. In another bowl, let us sieve our wheat flour. We are using only 2 cups. So let us start. Always make sure that you sieve your flour before using it. So guys, look at this. So guys, let us see the result after activating. So we are done activating our yeast, as you can see. Look how it looks. It is really activated. So let's go to the next step. Add in some little oil. Then we mix in our flour. So we add in our salt. We add in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This really works well. Only 2 tablespoons. Then we So let me dust this board. I dust it with flour. Then I transfer my dough on this board. As you can see, our dough is not sticky. I have to brush some oil in our bowl. Then we transfer our dough into a bowl. Next, I cover our dough with cling film or plastic paper. have to make sure that you close it very well. So I'll add on the kitchen towel, the clean one, then let it rest for an hour. So let us check our dough after resting for an hour. It has doubled in size. It has doubled in size. Let us give it a punch to remove pressure. So it's very smooth. Let us dust our board. So let us transfer our dough. Transfer it here. Knead again. So I'm going to add some butter here. So guys, this is butter. So let us try to roll it. Follow the instruction in this video. So guys, where are you watching me from? I'm really interested in knowing where you're watching me from. So tell me in the comment section where you're watching me from. I will reply to your comments happily. So let us grease some butter in our baking mold to avoid our bread sticking in. That is how to go. We transfer our dough into a baking mold, just like this. So again we apply some butter on top. Just we grease our dough slowly. Since I'm not using brush, I have to do it gently. This is how it is. Look at it. So we are going to cover it again. So let us cover our baking mold with a clean film. You have to make sure you cover it well. This is how it is. So we cover it again with a kitchen towel. Make sure it is clean. Don't use dirty things. I'm going to use 2 kitchen towels. I want my dough to come out well. So we let it rest for an hour. So guys, let us mix our egg wash. That is 1 egg. We are using just 1 egg. Then we add in milk. We whisk. this is our egg wash. This is how it looks after mixing. I said it is just milk and egg. For now, I've decided to use sand since I'm going to use my charcoal stove. But if you have salt, enough salt, you can use salt instead of using sand. So let's go. So now we are preheating. This is what I'm pressing. Our pan. Like that. So I'm going to place the baking mold on this. This is our charcoal stove. So I press my pan over it. So our dough is ready. Let's see what has happened. So this is how it is. Let us place some egg wash. Be careful. This helps our bread to brown very well. So we are placing like that. You see that? So that it bakes slowly and gets ready. We're going to bake for 45 minutes. So guys, our bread is ready, soft, fluffy and yummy. If you want to try this recipe, kindly do. You will never get disappointment. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Friday 7 p.m. East African time.